To apply the selected color palette to app icons on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Tap color palette. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on offset next to apply palette to apps icon to enable this option. Next, tap apply button to apply your selection. Go back to your home screen or app screen. As you can see, now the color palette you select has been applied to app icons on your home screen and app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.